trying Wingstop's new hunted habanero wings for the first time. Yes, sir. I got everything. Let's give it a shot. Yes, sir. Okay, this is how the wing version looks. Yeah, John look crazy. I also got tenders right here. Let's try with the ranch, though. She's about to go crazy. It's the ranch right there. That John look dizzy crazy, bruh. Let's give it a shot. Okay, Wingstop. That's a new flavor right there. This is a little like spicy, but it's like a sweet spicy. You feel what I'm saying? Then that ranch. Cheers. Let's try a flat jump. Cheers. That tastes like a 10 out of 10. Okay, this how the tender looks. Sheesh. Looks insane. Some ranchy ranch. Let's give it a shot. I ain't gonna lie. That flavor busting, bro. Let's try it. Okay, also got the corn in the flavor. You know I love me some corn, bro. Nah, that's crazy. I love me some corn. If you don't eat corn like that, bro, I don't know. Okay, my favorite thing today was definitely them wings. It just tastes a little spicy, but like a little like sweetness to it, but it's good. Do I approve it? Yes, the wings. This is John, bro.